Hi and welcome to ACES Centre. This is the Unit of Competency FNSACCT 506B, Implementing and Maintaining Internal Control Procedures. This Unit of Competency will address the following elements: review corporate governance requirements, implement operating procedures, and monitor policy. Element 1. Review corporate governance requirements. This will assess the following performance criteria. Corporate governance requirements are identified and analysed to determine application to operations. Clarifications on application of corporate governance requirements are assessed from authoritative and recognised sources. Internal control procedures are reviewed and developed, reflecting the application of corporate governance requirements to internal operations. Element 2. Implement operating procedures. This will assess the following performance criteria. Financial, delegations and accountabilities are maintained and reviewed to ensure consistency and compliance with internal control procedures. Required reports are produced, reviewed and distributed within agreed timelines. Timetables for the implementation of corporate governance requirements are developed in consultation with stakeholders. Internal control procedures are detailed and documented in standardised formats to promote consistency of use. Element 3. Monitoring policy. This will assess the following performance criteria. Applications of corporate governance requirements are developed from published sources or recognised practices. Performance indicators are developed and reported on to evaluate compliance with internal control procedures. Variations in adoption of corporate governance requirements in operations are identified and evaluated to determine causes. Modifications to procedures are developed and implemented to facilitate compliance with internal control. This unit of competency will expect the following required knowledge: financial legislation, for example taxable transactions reporting requirements, methods of work practices and routines, principles of internal control and auditing, organisational guidelines and procedures, ethical considerations for management and handling of files and records, for example confidentiality. This unit of competency will expect the following required skills: writing skills for preparation of reports and documenting procedures, setting up and maintaining records and files, research skills for assessing application of corporate governance requirements, consulting staff on internal control procedures, administrative procedures for timetabling and scheduling, interpretation of legislation, and information technology skills for setup and use of spreadsheets. This is the end of the relevant information for this unit of competency. Thank you.